The floods in Australia have affected 200,000 people. They have destroyed businesses and severely hurt the economy. They have also forced people out of their homes and forced them to move elsewhere. The majority of people in Australia have been affected in some way by this. Many families are desperately trying to escape the floodwaters, and many are struggling to do so. The floods have also had a tremendous impact on the wildlife. Snakes are popping up all over in spots they never used to be, and crocodiles are being forced out of their environments to go elsewhere. The floods have also caused many large fires in Australia.